Hey fabulous you! Welcome back to our channel where we make finance fun and fabulous. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our awesome community. Loud budgeting. Have you heard the buzz? It's loud, it's proud, and it's here to take over 2024. Yes, folks, we're talking about loud budgeting. Let us explain. A piggy bank filling up with coins. Thanks to TikTok and other social media platforms, more people are sharing their financial journeys, creating a supportive community where we can learn from each other. Think of it as financial therapy with a social twist. A split screen with different people sharing their budget wins and challenges. Loud budgeting is not just about making noise. It's about making sense. Openly discuss your savings goals, spending habits, and financial struggles. By sharing these details, we create accountability and motivation to stick to our budget. Imagine you're at a party and instead of the usual small talk, you're discussing how you saved $50 on your grocery bill this week. Sounds refreshing, right? Community support, increased accountability, financial education, and breaking taboos. Here are some interesting tidbits about loud budgeting that might inspire you to join the movement. Community support. Build a support network that offers advice, encouragement, and celebrates your financial victories. Increased accountability. Putting your budget out there makes you more likely to stick to it. Financial education. Learn new strategies and insights from others. Breaking taboos. Normalize financial discussions and break down money talk barriers. So, if you're ready to make some noise about your finances, jump on the loud budgeting train. Share your goals, celebrate your successes, and don't be afraid to talk about the tough stuff. Thanks for watching, folks. If you enjoyed this video and want more financial tips, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below about your budgeting wins or struggles. Let's get loud together. Until next time, stay fabulous and financially savvy. Bye.